Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 not launching so you can get into the game without any startup issues. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can often stop the game from opening. Next, open Steam or Battle.net and verify the game files to repair any missing or corrupted data. After that, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can block game launch. You should also run the game and launcher as an administrator to avoid permission problems. Another important step is to disable overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam Overlay, because they can interfere with startup. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated for better compatibility. If the issue continues, check your antivirus or firewall and allow the game through them. Finally, restart your PC and try launching the game again, and it should work normally. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.